Magandang buhay sa lahat, Maki Update, to all Lizken fans, Liza fans, at sa lahat. Ang sked sa Lisa Frankenstein, February 17, at 2 p.m., New York City, US, at AMC Empire, 25 Auditorium, number 9. Watch and meet Liza Soberano guys. Salamat po sa nagbahagi ng info. Samantala, Liza Soberano, nagbahagi ng update sa kanyang personal account, at ang bilis nga naman, maka-heart react, ang ating king. Napaka-supportive talaga, ni Ken.at nagbahagi din ng photos, si Kim Weibol, kasama si Liza Soberano, at ang glam team. Have a safe flight Hopi, and friends. Samantala, ang supportive little sister ni Liza Soberano, na si Rian, ay nagbahagi din ng suporta, para sa kanyang ate. Kasama dito, si Daddy John Soberano. Ito ang photos nilang tatlo, sa poster ng Lisa Frankenstein. Excited na din ang family ni Hopi, friends, and fans. Samantala, ito naman ang ganap kay Enrique Hill, Ticket to Me, Board and Projects, Kick-Off Meeting, In Full Swing with Ken, and Sir Ranvel Rufino. Mukhang busy talaga, sina Liza, at Enrique. Congratulations, and good luck, and more success, this 2024. Ito din ang comment ng netizens, para kay Liza Soberano. At some point, it was like, the entire Philippine showbiz, was against her. And now, the tide has turned on, Liza's favor. The talangka mind, does not really work, on those who are true, to their hearts. And isa pang komento, I will guess, there will be Filipinos, who will still find a way, to drag her down, cause it's their hobby, bringing down another Filipino, and disregard their achievements. For me, even if it's big, or small, as long as a person, try to do their best, to achieve their dream, and passion, it's still a win. If you failed, so what, at least you try. People nowadays, only see big achievements. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta guys. Mabuhay tayong lahat.